Introducing the M18 Brushless Threaded Rod Cutter from Milwaukee Tool, providing the most control, nut-ready cuts. The M18 Brushless Threaded Rod Cutter with optimized blade geometry delivers burr-free cuts with no chips and no sparks. Featuring M18 Brushless Threaded-in trim length design, the threaded rod cutter's one-handed center grip delivers uniform, controlled overhead cuts. In addition, the threaded rod cutter offers the clearest line of sight for the most accuracy. Our Red Link electronics allows the jaw to auto-retract back to home after each cut. To get nut-ready cuts every time, begin by holding the rod against the fixed lower jaw of the tool. Then, pull the trigger until the cut is complete, and the jaw automatically releases back to the home position. The M18 Brushless Threaded Rod Cutter from Milwaukee Tool, providing the most control, nut-ready cuts